The Giganotosaurus pushed its own egg into the water. As the egg exploded, a baby Giganotosaurus was born.
Hey, look over here, you missed one. Whoa!
Meanwhile, Hiccup's friends and Berk also discovered the dragon egg. After talking it over, they decided to give the egg as a gift to villagers who had just lost their dragons. They split up and quietly placed the egg in different homes. But then, the unexpected happened.
Ow! Surprise!
The eggs explode?
The surrounding houses exploded one after another. Even the wooden tower, symbolizing the holiday, was hit by the dragon egg and caught on fire. It turned out that just a few days ago, all the dragons on the island mysteriously flew away. Even the dragon that was closest to the group left without hesitation. When Hiccup and Toothless returned from training, they happened to encounter the dragon flock that had left. Fortunately, Toothless was very agile, and they managed to avoid disaster, but Hiccup's helmet got knocked off in the chaos. In order to understand what had happened, Hiccup quickly returned to the island. The villagers ran up to him in confusion.
Why did they leave?
What's happening?
Why did they never come back?
Stop! Please.
Calm down! Give them a chance to speak! Hiccup, where are all of our dragons going?
Dad, I don't know.
Just then, Astrid's dragon seemed to say something to Toothless, then flew away. Only Toothless was left on the island, and Hiccup couldn't bear to let him face this loneliness. Although he didn't want Toothless to leave, he still made him a brand new tail fin. He wanted Toothless to decide whether to stay or leave. After the tail fin was installed, Toothless was a bit uncomfortable, but when he saw the perfect tail fin, he finally calmed down.
Toothless. Whoa!
In the end, Toothless, like the other dragons, chose to leave. The friends were all very sad to lose their dragons, but Fishlegs was leisurely whistling.
What are you so happy about? Don't you miss Meatlug?
Me? Oh, yeah. I miss him so much.
Hiccup felt something was off with Fishlegs, so he quietly went to Fishlegs' house. When he opened the door, he was shocked. It turned out that Fishlegs, in order to keep his dragon from leaving, had actually chained him up with iron chains. After Meatlug broke free from the chains, it took Hiccup into the air. He had no choice but to keep flying with her. Soon after, they passed through the mist and saw a small island. All the dragons that had left Berk were there. That's when Hiccup finally understood the reason they had left. It turned out that it was the dragon's breeding season, but the dragon eggs would explode once they hatched. The dragons came to this deserted island to breed in order to avoid harming the Vikings, but Hiccup couldn't find Toothless among them. He wanted to bring the dragons back to Berk, but the baby dragons were too young to fly against the wind. Then he had an idea. He put the baby dragons into abandoned ships and had the dragon flock pull them back. The villagers cheered and celebrated when they saw the dragons returning. Not only did Hiccup bring all the dragons back, but he also brought back many dragon babies. But he had lost his own Toothless.
Astrid, where did Toothless go?